Even on the shortest day, our evergreen does shine. But tonight, when the 4 o'clock stars will away, and the rabbit cowers, and the storm is cold, the horned owl huddles against the star, and drifts are deep. All the shy creatures yearn for the sun. Tonight, the jackdaw shivers and caged branches fire. The stars have talent, but small sleeps, and hedgehogs curl in a moon under the ice. Tonight, there is no moon, but a new star opens like a silver trumpet. More fair than roses.
Keep on more wood, the wind is chill.
Just let it whistle as it will. We'll see where you'll time merry still.
Set the cool and show the people sport and play. Before tonight we go away.
All hail to the days that met in full praise in all the rest of the year, and welcome our nights that doubly lights, as well for the poor and the few. Good fortune attend each merry man's friend that doth of the best he may, forgetting old wrongs with carols and songs to drive with